Hello, Miss Larson here for reading today. All right, our story today is called The Day the Goose Got Loose. So I'm going to turn it around, and this is the main character or an important character in our story. What can you tell me about the goose from this illustration? Remember, illustration is another word for the pictures. Awesome. Okay. The Day the Goose Got Loose by Reeve Lindbergh. Pictures by Stephen Kellogg. So looking at this front cover, what do you notice is happening? Who looks happy and who does not? Okay, so we're gonna read a story, and we're gonna find out more about this goose. Okay, so I want you to look at the geese at the top of the page. Now I want you to look at the goose on the bottom of the page. Does she look happy? I'll zoom in. Here's a picture of the farm. When the goose got loose, she caused a riot. Nobody ever thought she'd try it. There wasn't any more peace and quiet the day the goose got loose. So it says that the goose caused a riot. What do you think is the meaning of riot? If you need to pause the video to think a little bit longer, pause the video. When the goose got loose, the hens were mad. The goose ate all the grain they had. The rooster sulked and the chicks were sad the day the goose got loose. So what did the goose do to the roosters, chicks, and hen? Yeah. And what do they think about what she does? It says the roosters sulked and the chickens were sad, right? So that does not sound like they were excited. When the goose got loose, the sheep were scared. They huddled together and shivered and stared. They would have come into the house if they dared, the day the goose got loose. When the goose got loose, the ram went wild. He butted the Bixby's youngest child. Her dress got messed and her hair unstyled the day the goose got loose. All right, so I want you guys to look closely at these pictures. What do you notice is happening? If you want to pause to look closer, you can. When the goose got loose, the horses were glad. They kicked up their heels and ran like mad. The colt was silly, the filly was bad, the day the goose got loose. So the colt is another word for a boy baby horse, and filly is the name for a girl baby horse. When the goose got loose, the cows were tense. The goose provoked a bull named Spence. He charged right through the pasture fence the day the goose got loose. It says that the cows were tense. How would the cows be standing if they were tense? Can you show me or show your teacher? And what is another word for the tense? When the goose got loose, our herd was gone. They galloped to the courthouse lawn. The surgeons brought them back at dawn, the day the goose got loose. When the goose got loose, my dad was annoyed. He said this wasn't a day he enjoyed. His morning routine was completely destroyed the day the goose got loose. When the goose got loose, my mom was upset. She said the goose was a personal pet. She walked all around with a butterfly net the day the goose got loose. When the goose got loose, my brother knew why. He heard the wild geese flying high. They stood in the meadow and waved goodbye the day the goose got loose. So what did the girl's brother figure out? And where are those geese going? When the goose got loose, my grandmother said, quite late in the evening, just before bed, I wonder what thoughts went through her head. So I want you to look at this top picture, and how does the goose look now? And why do you think that? The day the goose got loose. Forgot to read that part. Oops. When the goose got loose, I dreamed a dream. Of a flock of geese in a silver stream, some tame and some wild, in a fine feathered team. This one has no words. That is a beautiful picture. All right. The day the goose got loose. So my last question is, share what you think about this ending. Did that surprise you at all? Were you expecting an ending like that? Okay, real fast, I'm going to go to the beginning of our story, and I want us to look at this one, again, that picture. So why do you think the goose wanted to get out of her cage? Now that we've ended it, I bet you have a good answer. All right, thank you guys for joining me. Bye.